Well, the Kampala Journal shared a letter. They had the caption on it saying, "Is Lieutenant General Peter Elwelu in deep trouble? A leaked UPDF document indicates that he has till today to appear in the court-martial for allegedly disparaging the CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba." KG News. Well, the detail of this letter is December 19, 2024. Lieutenant General Peter Elwelu. That is the reason summoned to the disciplinary committee. As you may know, the CDF of the Chief of Defense Forces is the second highest authority after the Commander-in-Chief in military hierarchy under the UPDF Act of 2005. We have received complaints from the CDF General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, who brought to our attention a video footage showing that you were disparaging him in some meeting you held with other junior officers. The actions amount to a breach of Section 136 of the UPDF Act, which prohibits insubordination and undermining the authority of the CDF. We have been directed to investigate the following. Number one, insubordination. Number two, mutiny. Number three, factions in the army based on tribes. By a copy of this letter, you are therefore directed to appear at the General Court Martial no later than December 23rd, 2024. Your cooperation will be highly appreciated. Carbon copy has been given to the Commander-in-Chief, the Chief of Defense, the Chief Defense Forces, Minister of Internal Affairs, General Court Martial, Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs, Speaker of Parliament, and has been signed by Felix M. Kujley. Someone is a Brigadier General, Director Defense Public Information. But then, the UPDF just after a few minutes, within just 20 minutes, had to respond to this document. They say this is a fake document and should be disregarded. They put a stamp, fake, meaning they have distanced themselves from this letter posted by Kampala Journal News. So this around Muhoozi and Peter Elwelu is becoming a game that we don't know. It started by bombastic missiles fled on Twitter by Muhoozi, directed at Peter Elwelu, and also in a function in a local language by a local language of Teso. We have been told that Patrick Uboya Muriat, who is the head of FDC, opposition party, has responded to Muhoozi's tweet about Peter Elwelu. And according to the people who we have asked to translate for us, it means that Patrick Uboy said Muhoozi should stop disturbing Peter Elwelu. In other words, said Peter Elwelu should be left alone by Muhoozi, and just to avoid provoking the heaters. So that's all. The thing about Muhoozi versus Peter Elwelu seems to be coming real, but the UPDF have also distanced themselves from this letter. We don't know whether the leak is true or the UPDF are just being diplomatic, not to expose what is going underground to the public. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're subscribed, you will keep getting more. I wish you a nice time as you enjoy other videos on Acholi ITV YouTube channel.